This is Texas132, and this is a tutorial for my small bathroom. This is an 8x6 room. We'll spin it around to see all the sides. Open the door. You can see a sink and a toilet. This wall pops off to reveal what is inside: a small shower stall, a toilet, and a sink. There isn't very much floor room, but this bathroom would be for a small apartment or small house. I used this tutorial building technique in my tiny houses in my city, and now we'll get to building. So first you'll take an 8x6 plate, and the second you'll take 3 of these 1x6 plates, put them on the sides of the plate, on the left, right, and the back side to make your walls. Then 3 1x6 bricks on top of the plates. I'm making this with the wall to break away here. You don't have to. The second row of bricks, a 1x4, a corner brick here in the corner, another 1x4 with a corner brick, and then you would need another 1x4, and I have to use a 1x3 and a 1x1. Next, let's put the wall to the side and start building the shower, the toilet, and the sink. First, take a 2x4 plate, then put a 1x3 on the back side here. Take 2 of these 1x2 wall panels, or a 1x4, put it on the opposite side of the plate, the 1x3 plate, so it should look like this. Then take a round tile, put it in the last slot for the drain. Now you have the base of your shower. For the sink, you will need a 1x2 brick. Take a 1x1 brick, put it on the right side. Take a 1x1 corner wall panel, put it on the left side of the 1x2. Then take a tap and put it on top of the 1x1. Now you have your small sink. For the base of your toilet, you will need a 2x2 jumper plate and one of these 1x2 bowls. Put the bowl right on top of the stud for the jumper, and that is the base of your toilet. Next, let's put all of our items into the bathroom. We'll start with the shower stall. Place it on the far right. Push it down all the way. Next, let's put the toilet in. We will put it next to the shower stall in the back 2 studs here, or back 4 studs. Then our sink will go in the back studs next to the toilet. Now let's build up the next layer of the wall. You will need 2 1x3 bricks for the right side of the wall, a 1x2 on the back, To attach the second part of the toilet, you will need a 1x2 brick with these knobs, a 1x3 to finish the back row of this wall, and then a 1x2 and a 1x3 brick here. For the second part of the toilet, you need a 2x2 round tile, and you just attach it to this brick right there. Then, to lock all these bricks in place, you need a 1x6, 3 1x6 bricks to finish this whole row off. Next, let's put the floor in. So you'll need a 2x2 tile in front of the toilet, a 1x2 tile in front of the sink, and then another 2x2 tile in front of the sink where those last 4 slots are. For the next row of the wall, you'll need a 1x3 over here on the right side, another 1x3. You can also use 1x6s here. I did not have enough to use all 1x6s. Then a 1x1 brick with the knob for the shower head, and you will attach a tap to that. You will attempt to attach the tap. There we go. Now I have a 1x4 next to the tap, another corner brick, and then a 1x4 or a 1x3 and 1x1. To finish the last row of bricks off, you need a 1x8 in the back. That'll lock all those bricks together. Then a 1x2 and a 1x3 on the right, and a 1x3 and 2 1x1s on the left. I will switch those because I want this all to be strong and those wouldn't stick together very well. Next, you will need 3 1x6 tiles for the top of your building. Now these walls are finished, and we will build the front wall of our bathroom. Take a 1x6 plate and 6 1x2 bricks, and put all the 6 1x2 bricks on the right side. I have some of these 1x2x2 bricks. Those can work also. Lay it down like this so we can see it. So now this is 6 bricks tall. You need a door frame and a solid door. Probably will work best for a bathroom. Cannot see today. There we go. Get the door in. You will need a stud or a tile for the doorknob. Attach the door to the 1x4 opening and use a 1x6 plate for the top. Now your front wall is complete. We will put it on the bathroom. So take your front wall assembly, slide it in the opening. Now you can break the wall away to see inside. That plate may stay there once in a while. But it is the right size for a minifigure. I'll take this scarecrow figure. It's the right size for the sink, the shower, and the toilet. So, thank you for watching this tutorial, and we will see you next time.